Udhampur, Srinagar, Baramulla rail link, which is in Jammu and Kashmir. Only one stretch is remaining, that is Katra to Banihal, 111 kilometer. Now this stretch is a very difficult terrain. Out of 111 kilometer, 97 kilometer is tunnel, and 97 kilometer tunnel. Out of this 97 kilometer, 66 kilometer tunnel area is basically longer tunnel, more than 3 kilometer. So you are required to provide the service tunnel. Wherever the tunnel length is more than 3 kilometer, we have to provide one additional tunnel, which is known as service tunnel, so that if train is detained in the tunnel due to any reason, so there should be a service tunnel which will provide escape route to passengers. So you see that out of total 163 tunnels which was required to be constructed, 97 kilometer main tunnel and 66 kilometer service tunnel, we have already completed 126 kilometer. And tunnel work is the most time-taking work. So the work is progressing, and the work is progressing, and our railway engineers, they have been able to open edit. We call it edit phase. So multiple phases, not only two phases, but in between also we have gone ahead and opened the multiple edits, and on all the tunnels the work is going on, and the target is December 22. Even during Corona, we have been able to continue our work. For 2 months there was some slowdown, but still now it has picked up, and we are not modifying this target. We are putting in the extra resources, and we will see that this is completed by the target date, that is December 22. And this terrain has two very important bridges, and these are the once it is commissioned, the Chenab Bridge will become world's tallest bridge, tallest arc bridge. It is 359 meter length and 359 meter height, higher than the Eiffel Tower if you compare, and 13-15 meter long. These are some of the pictures showing the alignment of the terrain, all hilly terrain. The entire terrain is either tunnel or, so 97 kilometer tunnel, you come out of the tunnel, you go to the bridge. You come out of the bridge, you go to the tunnel. So it's a very, very difficult terrain, but our Indian Railway engineers, they have done really marvelous work, and the project is going in full swing. These are some of the details that this work is going on. And this is the view of Chenab Bridge. This is basically artistic view. This is not the view at the ground right now, but it will look like this. It will look like this. And the next slide indicates the actual site work. Already a lot of work has been done. So this is actual site work, and it will look like what I saw you have seen in the artistic view. This is Chenab Bridge work in progress. Another bridge is Anji Bridge. Anji Bridge, it is the first cable-stayed rail bridge in India. The main span is 290 meter length, 196 meter above bed level. So this work is also going on very well. The work is progressing very well. So these two bridges are the most bridges, and the work is progressing very well. Basically, these two bridges define the completion of project. These two bridges are on the critical path of the entire project, and that is why I am briefing you that these two bridges they are going on very well. This is again the artistic view of Anji Bridge. It will look like this once it is ready. You can see that the whole bridge will be supported on the cable. This picture shows the work in progress. Next picture also shows the work in progress. Another picture, there is a Riyasi station which will be coming onto the bridge, near the bridge. It's a beautiful view, and the work is progressing in full swing. These are some of the structure of the bridges, 39. These bridges structure has been completed. the bridge structure takes the most of the time for completion of bridge. So all these structures have already been completed. I'm just wanting to show you these pictures to just give you confidence that these works are really in very advanced stage and we are going to complete by December 22. Now these are some of the challenges and the main thing which I would like to mention, that these sites are totally inaccessible, and for starting the work either at bridges or at tunnels, first of all, railway had to create more than 250 kilometer of road, motorable road, where we can move our trucks and we can move our equipment, tunnel boring equipment, heavy bridge equipment. So Indian Railway has constructed more than 250 kilometer of road, and those roads we will be handing it to this line is commissioned, and those roads can be used by the local people to provide the accessibility to the remote area. So I would like to mention that providing 100 kilometer rail network, which we are talking about, in addition 250 kilometer of very good quality of road has also been provided as part of this railway project, which will be handed over to the state government and which is really going to help the local people. And during this COVID period, we have been able to pick up our work. The work has started progressing in a very, very good manner. The progress is very good and quite confident that we will be able to complete this project by December 22.